Okay friends, I will be talking with you about something unique. Dili siya about sa relationship sa manag-uyab. Dili siya about sa relationship sa manag-asawa. Dili siya about sa relationship sa pamilya. Dili siya about relationship sa imong crush nga wa ka pansina. Lahi ni siya. Ug labing mas nindot pa kaysa sa ubang way klaro nga relasyon. It's a community relationship. It's a barter community. Specifically talking about our very own balay barter community. I saw groups like this before from various places like Bacolod, Iloilo, and Cebu. And I wanted it also to be in our city also. And poof, there we have it guys. Our very own balay barter community. Shout out to the admin, Russell Crisostomo. You know what's the good thing about this relationship or any kind of relationship? It's when the both of you do not have money, yet you're still in good terms. Here in the barter community, you can post what you have, something you do not use anymore but still functional. Instead of posting it on Carousel, Shopee, FB Marketplace, or whatsoever, you post it in a barter community group in an exchange of something you like or depende sa i-offer sa mga interested member of that Facebook group. Dinhi na kay makita nag-post og bag, pabaylo ang gatas pang baby. Na kay makita nag-post og tanom, pabayloan og lahi pang nga tanom. Na kay makita nag-post og gadgets, pabayloan og Bisaya nga manok. Almost anything na ana dito except money. We already knew about barter system during our history classes, but who would have thought na mabalik siya na concept karong modern times? It's just so nice to have what we want to have by just bartering what we already have. No waste, no money involved, just love. O lang sa to friends, have a happy relationship Tuesday. Enjoy bartering with one another. Ugma na pod. Kani yung barter community group. So, here's the link. Here's the name. You can post anything na di ninyo magamit. Ganyan, na kanimo makita. Reani. 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 Yan, imong maobserbahan diri nga grupo. Walay init og ulo, walay reklamador, walay samok, ano man. Diba mong kwarta? Diba? Ug para po sa mga taga Valencia na po dito newly created group. Shout out sa atong amiga niya, si Luis Panag. Here's the community group, Valencia Barter Community. So, that's it. See you tomorrow.